Asonskehtiö Lentävänniemi.
Yes, and today it's the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September this year. We have what was actually the real address? Lentävänniemi 27, but also Männistönkuja 1.
Yeah.
It's 30th week. It's also called Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere Tampere Speedcoma vehicle Finland, to which one the Tampere light rail line is being extended to by 2024, but first to Santalahti 2023. The serial number is H28298. It was built in 1971, modernized in 1998, turning 50 years old this year in 2021. The motorization will be 25 years old in 2023.
Yeah.
When it will be inspected again, also with the furniture inside. And 9 floors, but should have been made faster.
Yeah.
And this used to have either MPN6 buttons or the MPN8 buttons, but it depends on if we find the information about when this was finished.
Yeah.
Of course, if this was finished in 1972, it could have been more likely to have been MPN8 even.
Yeah.
But of course, it's also possible it was MPN8, so even if it wasn't 72, it was finished. But we'll see later. Yeah. But given we have a residential building with 7 staircases, all originally MPN6 fixtures, it is more likely that this would have been MPN6 before.
Yeah.
And also bottom driven here. So I guess more it was MPN6 before. Because kind of it feels like it would have been more of a reason for them to modernize in 1998 if this wasn't MPN8.
Yeah.
Even though actually this modernization is also a little bit unnecessary, but still very nice.
Yeah.
Take a second ride here.
Spektaatpaikkivaispiteet maintained by Kone.
Yeah, signage one.
It cancelled it.
It's like C-Mag sometimes. And of course you can also watch the stickers here, which I filmed separately, but Carbon 86 filmed it before. That's it, and thank you very much for watching.
That's